Before the first rocket left Earth, humans were already looking up, searching for something greater than themselves. For thousands of years, we built temples, wrote scriptures, and knelt before gods we imagined in the stars. But now, we're going there. And what happens when the cosmos is no longer myth, but something you can touch? What if space itself becomes the new cathedral? What if the universe becomes God? This is the story of humanity's next great faith, one born not from ancient scrolls, but from rocket fuel and the infinite dark.
One, from gods in the sky to the sky as God. How space itself could become humanity's first universal deity. Once, humans looked up and saw gods staring back. Now, we may be staring into the only God that ever existed. For thousands of years, civilizations across the world bowed to the sky, worshiping stars, constellations, and the vast unknown as divine forces guiding their fate. The heavens were never empty. They were alive with meaning, mystery, and power. But as humanity begins to leave Earth behind and step into the cold silence of space, a profound shift begins to unfold. Out there is no above, no distant heaven watching from beyond the clouds, only an endless, boundless universe stretching in every direction. The illusion of separation fades. The sky is no longer a place where gods reside. It becomes the very essence of divinity itself. In that infinite expanse, belief may evolve beyond ancient forms, transforming into something deeper, where the universe is no longer creation, but the creator.
2. When humans leave Earth, will Earth-based religions collapse or evolve into cosmic faiths? The moment humanity steps beyond Earth, faith faces its greatest test, not of belief, but of survival. For centuries, religions have been rooted in the soil of this planet. Sacred lands, holy directions, sunrise rituals, and places where heaven feels close. Every prayer, every tradition, quietly depends on Earth itself. But in space, those anchors begin to drift. There is no fixed east or west, no single holy ground, no familiar sky to look toward. Astronauts have already faced this challenge, redefining how and where they pray in zero gravity. And as humans prepare to live beyond Earth, these adaptations won't be optional, they'll be essential. Yet belief doesn't vanish in the vacuum of space, it evolves. Experts suggest religion will not collapse, but transform into something entirely new. Something no longer bound to a single planet, but shaped by the vast, infinite reality of the cosmos itself.
3. The birth of cosmic religion. Why space colonies might create their own gods and beliefs. Far from Earth, where silence stretches endlessly and survival is never guaranteed, belief may become humanity's most powerful lifeline. When humans step into space colonies, cut off from their home planet, they won't just carry technology with them. They'll carry the need for meaning. History shows that every new environment shapes culture, and with it, new forms of faith. But space is unlike anything humanity has ever faced. Isolation, extreme danger, and the constant reminder of how fragile life is could push settlers to search for something greater than themselves. In that unfamiliar darkness, new symbols may emerge, new rituals may form, and entirely new gods could be imagined. Ones that reflect the reality of living among stars instead of under skies. Researchers believe these belief systems won't be copies of Earth's religions, but something entirely original, born from the challenges, fears, and wonders of life beyond our world. 4. Aliens, AI, and the ultimate question. What happens to religion when we discover we're not alone? The day humanity realizes it isn't alone could become the moment every belief system is forced to confront its limits. For centuries, religions have placed humans at the center of creation, shaping stories around our existence and our connection to the divine. But the discovery of intelligent life beyond Earth would shake that foundation to its core. Suddenly, we wouldn't be unique. We would be one among many. Scientists and philosophers already debate how faith would respond to such a revelation. Would ancient beliefs adapt to include new forms of life? Or would they fracture under the weight of a larger reality?
In a universe filled with advanced civilizations or powerful artificial intelligence, the definition of God itself could begin to blur. Some may see these beings as equals, others as creators. And in that shift, humanity's understanding of faith may transform forever, expanding beyond Earth into something far more cosmic and unknown.
5. The religion that unites the galaxy. Will space faith become the new global government of humanity? In the vast emptiness of space, unity may become humanity's only true survival system. Across history, religion has done more than inspire belief. It has united entire civilizations under shared purpose and identity. But beyond Earth, where nations fade and isolation grows, that unifying force could take on a far greater role. Among distant colonies and scattered worlds, a shared faith might become the thread that holds humanity together, creating order, meaning, and direction in the unknown. Some experts believe this cosmic belief system could even drive expansion itself, pushing humans deeper into space, not just to explore, but to fulfill something that feels destined. As humanity steps into the infinite, faith won't disappear. It will evolve, expand, and perhaps become as vast as the universe itself. The real question isn't whether we'll find new gods, but whether we'll realize we've been inside one all along. Subscribe to explore the unknown beyond Earth.